This is the whole first session. Install it, set it up on a real repo, run something, read the board. One idea to hold on to. Tyran is a manager for a team of agents. You stay the stakeholder. Install is 2/ commands inside Claude Code. Then restart. Hooks and agents load at session start. /Tyran hello is the smoke test. If it answers, you are running. The only requirement is Claude Code 2.1. Speak clearly, at a natural pace, with quiet confidence and a little warmth. /Tyran setup, once per repository. It reads how the repo is really worked, not how the docs describes it. Every value it infers carries the fact that produced it, and it never grants itself the right to merge to main. Then commit the .tyran folder. Agents work in Git worktrees, and a worktree carries no untracked files. Type /Tyran and describe the work. He interviews you first, at most 4 questions. After you accept the plan, the questions stop. Shall I continue is forbidden in the conductor's own file. Then the team goes out. A scout reads the repo first. Cheap tier, read-only, fresh context. Implementers take 1 story each, on their own branch. Everyone starts with an empty scrollback. The reviewer has no editing tools at all. A reviewer who can fix what they found approves their own patch. Open the board. 1 command, and this is the one place a node version matters. Overview answers 1 question. Is anything on fire? 2, waiting on you. 5 agents running. 47% merged. The board tab is every ticket in exactly 1 of 10 lanes. Moving a ticket means appending an event. Say something halfway through, and it does not land in the scrollback. It becomes a ticket, queued as T9. The queue carries its open count in the tab label. A question you cannot see is a question you do not answer. Each card says whether a default is recorded. Type your answer, press answer, and the run carries on. Spend is what it cost, by model, by agent type, by ticket. The scout's whole reconnaissance was 3 cents. 55% of those tokens were the manager's own context, its own row, so nothing hides. Tyran does not know what you pay. You write the rate card. 2 hooks will refuse things. A report with no command output is 1. It blocks silence, not forgery. And a commit carrying a secret is refused, even inside a markdown file. Install git leaks first, or that gate has nothing to scan with. When the last ticket merges, try to end the session. It refuses. Once. It reads the journals and the reports, then changes Tyran itself, never your product code. Most retros change nothing, and that is correct. The same failure 3 times becomes knowledge, pasted into every matching handoff. 5 times, it becomes a rule in your Claude file. 1 line in a stop file halts everything, from anywhere. You keep every decision. The team does the rest.